today's video is a makeup look inspired by Bebe Rexha's music video for her new song, Baby I'm Jealous. I'm absolutely obsessed with this song, so when I was watching the music video and I saw this look, insert a picture right here of it, I knew I just had to recreate it for my YouTube channel, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera, so I'm going to go in to the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette using a Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush. I'm going to dip into the shade Celebrity Skin down here, and we're just going to work this all over our crease. And you can go ahead and wing out your eyeshadow a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and the James Charles palette and dip into the shade No Beans, this brown color, and start working this on my outer corner and outer crease. You can take it a little bit inward slightly. Okay, then I'm going to take some concealer. I've just got the Rare Beauty here that I've been using recently. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and take a flat shading brush and use it to kind of carve out my crease. I'm not going to carve it out super defined. I'm just going to tap the concealer on and diffuse it, just so I get a softer cut crease look. Okay, then I'm going to go back into the Blue Blood palette and dip in the shade I'm Cold, which is a light pastel matte blue, and pat this all over my lid on the area I just put concealer down. And you'll want to make sure you take some of the blue inwards too a little bit. And then I think I'm also going to take the shade Mint Tea and just put this over the blue a little bit. And then I'm just going to go back in with the shade No Beans on an M507 and make sure the outer corner is blended. Okay, and then you're going to want to take a black eyeliner. I'm using the Hank & Henry Slick With It liquid eyeliner, and you're going to want to do a winged liner. You can also skip the winged liner if you don't feel comfortable with it, but since I'm recreating the look and BB's got a winged liner, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, now that my wing liner is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. I'm just going to take today the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Ivory, and we're just going to put that all over our face. And I'm going to take an IT Cosmetics brush, the Love is a Foundation brush, and just use this to buff it out. And then I'm just going to go in with concealer, Rare Beauty, and the Rare Beauty concealer brush, conceal beneath the eyes, and any other problem spots. Next I'm going to set with some powder, just taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and the Morphe eye bullet brush to set beneath the eyes. And then just going to take my larger E41 powder brush and set the rest of my face too. Next I'll work bronzer, just taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer on a Morphe R2. I'm going to start with my cheekbones. Then I'll hit my nose too with just a fluffy shading brush from Luxie. I'll take my eye bullet brush again and just kind of sweep over my nose just to make sure everything's blended in. Make sure to swipe any powder I left behind beneath my eyes. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio in Fair Light. I'm just going to take this middle shade Paraiso, which is kind of a cool tone light pink, and work this on my cheeks. Feel free to take any other blush that's of a similar tone if you don't have this one. And then for highlight, I'm going to go for a more beaming highlight. So I'm going to take Colourpop Flexitarian and a little Real Techniques mini sponge and apply this to my cheekbones, forehead, and nose. And I'm just gonna set my brows with the Anastasia pomade gel and brush them into place. And then I'm just going to keep the bottom lash line super neutral and just go back in with Celebrity Skin and buff that all over the lower lash line. Okay, then go ahead and set your face. Okay, then you can go ahead and curl your eyelashes and put on mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Waterproof. And then for lashes, I'm going to take some Lilly lashes in the style Miami, which are a bit bigger and fuller. And we're just gonna pop these on. Okay, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take a bit of Cullinan, which is this white shimmer, and pop this into the inner corner. And then for my lips, I'm going to take my Colourpop Lippie Stick in Cookie and put this on. And then top with some Morphe Flower Crown Gloss. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys decide to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram or send me a DM because I'd love to see what you guys do with it. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.